Good evening, friends. Hope all are doing well. How was the yesterday video? Yesterday we discussed about the option basics. Today we will going to discuss the strategy part. The first strategy, the strategic trade buying strategy, BO 925 breakout. BO means breakout at 925 breakout. So this actually for the same strategy I already discussed for the stock buying. So today we will discuss about the option buying. Option buying, how we will going to do it, that we will going to see today. So we will go to the slide. So this is the thing as usual. We'll have to check the overall trend of the market by marking the following things like support and resistance in the spot chart. We used to mark in the support and resistance in the spot chart. Today also I will show in the Nifty. So regularly we are seeing the review of the Nifty every day. That today also we will discuss. And the trend line, how we are marking, that we already discussed it. Based on that we will have to mark the trend line. Then mark the 5 days high, low and median. That also we used to mark daily. That you mark and practice it. And pre-open market view. Once the morning, pre-open, once 9 o'clock the pre-open market is opening, and 9-7 it is getting settled. So 9-7 you can check by comparing the previous day close and what is the today's pre-open market says. Pre-open market, if it is above the previous day close or below the previous day close, based on that we can have some views. So check the candlestick pattern of the previous 5 days. So that also we'll have to see the previous 5 days where how it has formed. Any formation has made in the previous 5 days, it is going straight away, it is going one side rally, or it is moving up and down, or it has formed something, any doji or something like that, it has formed. That thing yesterday also we discussed it. That also we'll have to keep it in our mind. So then check the 5-minute candle formation of the first 5-minute candle formation with marking the high, low, and TAL and BAL. TAL and BAL, everyone knows how to mark the TAL and BAL. If anyone is having the doubt, you can go and check the previous video. Top alert line and the bottom alert line, you can, how we can mark that we can check. Okay. So then further, what are all the conditions? Means CE buying. For CE buying, first we'll have to add the indicator of the 5 EMA and 21 EMA in the spot and option chart. Both we'll have to mark it. And add the VWAP and the volume in the option chart, because spot chart it is, there is no trading. The volumes will not be there, and the VWAP will also will not be there, because VWAP is the volume weighted average. Without volume, the weighted average cannot be able to calculate it. That is why we have to mark in the option chart. So if anyone want to cross check with the future chart, they can mark and mark in the future chart parallelly. Spot chart, future chart, both they can keep it and they can check it. But it is not required. Only we can with the spot chart only we will decide. So otherwise we will get confusion whether it is crossing or not. Small variations will be there. Then we will be in the confusion mode. Better whatever decision we will take it in the spot chart, and the execution we will do it in the option chart. So the selection of the strike price, by checking the option chain. So that also we discussed how we will have to select the ATM, ITM and the OTM and all, how we will have to select it. That we already discussed it. So based on that, we will have to select the ITM for C and B P buying. So if it is C means ITM, normally ATM minus 100 or 50 or 100 point, that is the ITM for the CE. If it is the ITM for PE means ATM plus 50 or 100 is the ITM for the PE strike. So based on that, we will have to select. Normally we used to select 2 strikes below or 2 strikes above, so that it will be better, because in the money will always will not erode that option. Theta decay will be very slow in the money contract, in the money strike. So that that will be for buying purpose. That will be good. Normally taking the ITM 1 is ITM 2 is good, and 5 EMA should then 5 EMA should cross above the 21 EMA. that indicator 5 EMA should cross the 21 EMA, so that upward move should be there. So same way, so the buy C spot, the 5 minute candle should be close above the TAL. Actually, the first 5 minute candle or first 5 minute candle anyway it may not close because we will have to mark the TL based on the first 5 minute candle only. If it is second 5 minute candle closing or third closing, whichever is closing, once it is closed, then afterwards only we will have to take the decisions. Okay, option 5 minute candle should be above or close, above closed or above VWAP. Means this 5 minute candle should close above the VWAP. So the means option chart, that is in the option chart. Then volume also in the increasing way, means if it is a buying, means green candle, green bar should happen, green bar should happen for the rising way. So that we'll see in the example. Same way for say P selling, say buying. So same indicators are same only. Then select the strike based on the P strike whatever it is required. So ITM 2 we'll have to select which is ATM plus 50 or 100 we'll have to add it for the ITM 2 strike. So then 5 EMA should cross below the 21 EMA. So it's a decreasing manner. So then spot 5 minute candle should close below the PAL. Means if it is a that should be a red candle also. It should not be a green candle. And the option 5 minute candle should be below closed or below VWAP. VWAP that 5 minute candle should be below the VWAP. That also will have to the important point. And the volume should be in the decreasing means in the increasing manner only, but in the selling side in the it should be a red bar. Okay. So next is in the checklist, same thing only I have checked. Pre-market we'll have to see in the 9.7 and spot chart marking and all we'll have to do it in the 9.20 as well as TL, BL also to spot chart we'll have to mark in the 9.20 itself. Then marking in the this is not required actually. For option chart, only once selecting the strike, there is no need to mark anything in the option chart. We'll have to see the indicator only. Indicator, the 5 EMA, 21 EMA, as well as VWAP and the volume. These four we'll have to see in the option chart. And the same way we'll have to check the candles pattern also in the option chart. Candle pattern also how it is forming. That also we'll have to see. Okay. So then same way here I have to give I gave some small this thing you can note down. So Nifty and Bank Nifty I have given same way Fin Nifty and Mid Cap Nifty also you can correlate. So Monday, if it is a Monday, actually Bank Nifty is the Wednesday is the expiry and Nifty is the Thursday is the expiry. That is why the minimum strike I have put in the Wednesday and Thursday in the Bank Nifty and this one. That is 125 to 150 for Bank Nifty and 80 to 100 for the Nifty. Then again Monday, then again Friday. Friday it is the next day of the Nifty. So next day of the expiry of Nifty, so that the premium will be more. So 200 we can select. Same way here that Thursday जो है that is a expiry after next expiry day, after the expiry day. So that is a 400 rupees is a minimum premium you have to select. Or Friday 350 rupees has to select for the Bank Nifty. Same way Monday and Tuesday Nifty 150 and Bank Nifty 250 and Tuesday 140 and 200. These are all the only indicative only. It's not like that. It's exactly that 150 should be there. Maybe 150 or 160 or 140 like that. 10 to 5 to 10 point here and there it will be maybe there. So you cannot able to get this indicative price only. There is no need to wait for the particular price. Near to that 400 is not 400, 410 is also okay, 390 is also okay, 380 is also okay. Like that you can just 10-20 point it's okay. It's here and there it's okay. Based on that you can select the option strike. So that's all means this is a setup. So now we will going to see in the we will see in the this one chart itself what it has happened today. So that we will see. So how what are all the I informed na? Same thing only here also. Just I will go to say this is the 1 day candle. Daily we used to check in the Nifty how it is moving. So this is the yesterday candle. Yesterday we discussed it. The around doji or spinning type candle has formed. So this may go up also, it may go down also. Actually, it has opened down only. It has opened down only. You can see this one line, I have red line I have marked in the trend line. This for last 3 days, this including today, this trend you see, this is coming like downwards. So that is why I put one circle here. This is the median line. This area is median line is 22,291, and this circle and meeting this point is there. This is the center point of the tomorrow is center point. There is a chance of coming up to this area also possible tomorrow. Tomorrow is the possibility of coming up to this area also. So if it is coming this area, then there is a possibility of touching the next day. It is touching the 5-day low also. It is the chance of touching, because one from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. 6 days it was the means rally. Then again there is a first day, means it has started the down move. Actually decision was not taken properly, and the first day has started the down move. Small down move is there. It may come down also, that is a possibility. Or else if buyers are activating more, if it is going up, then there is a possibility of breaking the resistance also. Still since last 2 days 3 days we are discussing that only. So we'll see the condition of the tomorrow, how it is going to happen. But whereas here, what was the today's scenario? Today's scenario, though morning it was just came down. Came down means there was a confusion, means it is a like price falling down. Morning the situation was like a price falling down. So that is why the morning you were even pre-opening also a little below only, little below only, not much below, but little below only in the Nifty. And the Bank Nifty was pre-open around 150 to 178 point. It's below only. So that is why there was a confusion. It is coming below. So now we can see in the Nifty 5-minute candle. So 5-minute candle, you see, this is the candle. It is yesterday close. Yesterday close was here and open was here. There is a good gap down of around near about 464. Here it is near about 80 point, near about 80 point gap down. So if it is gap down means gap down, and this candle also, first candle also in the red day, second is also red day, third is also red day. So and this in this way means what I thought means it may go down, because it is a 5-minute candle high and low we have marked, and TL, BL we have marked, and this is the TL. This is a TL we have already marked. This area is a TL marked. Okay. Then I waited and slowly it is going up. But even though there was a confusion, because these are full gap down, and whether it is going to fill the gap or not, there is a doubt. Means sometimes may not fill, but today it has actually totally filled the gap. So that is why I waited till up to 10 o'clock. Then 10 o'clock gave the good breakout. You see, 10 o'clock gave the clear breakout from the TL. Now it is, once it is giving the breakout, then it is our spot chart work is over. Whatever you have marked, because here we will have to see only 5-minute candle should cross 21 candle. 5-minute also it is crossing. This point also it is giving the signal, and here is also TL is also above the this thing closing. So now we can conclude that we can take the decision that we can go for the CE buying with the assumption of it is reaching up to this area, means up to this today's yesterday's high, up to this area we can have the assumption it can go there. So with that, now how we will going to select the strike here. Now TA line, it is 22,422. 22,422 means it's around 22,400 is the strike price. So what we discussed here, minimum 2 strike below. It's for the C side, 2 strike below in the money we required. That means 22,300 we have to select. So you see here already I have selected 20,300. So this is the thing. So 20,300. Here there is no need to mark anything. Just straight away we'll have to, once this is the 10 o'clock candle, it is already broken. And above the 10 o'clock candle we already marked the entry line. Just for indication purpose only I have added the entry line. Immediately you can just put the buy order in the market price, or it is This also limit price also you can put it. So if you are entering in the 145, what is our this thing first target minimum? Actually, we normally used to have the 20 point or 25 point is the stop loss maximum. Maximum 20 point or 25 point is the stop loss. Our same way target is also first target 20 to 25 point. It's a first target. Okay. So if you see here, we already first target TG1 already done, and TG2, TG3, TG4, TG5, everything continuously has achieved, continuously achieved. But whereas once it is TG1 is achieving, then immediately what we used to do it, we used to do the trialing. So that is why I put the this line means blue line. So here we used to put the trailing. So once we are putting the trailing means we got stopped here, means here stopped here. We how much point we got it? 147 to 167 means 145, 167, 20 point we got it. 20 point is enough for us. 20 point is enough for us. Near about 15% we are getting, that is enough for us. Once it is already got the this one. Those who are ready to take the this thing risk means now SL is here only 25 point, here we are putting the SLA. Those who are ready to take the risk, they can, what they can do it, they can SL can be changed to, now once it is touching that target 1, they can SL can be changed to entry point, so that there will be no this loss. So at least cost to cost we can exit from the trade. Then again, once it is going to the target 2, they can change it to the target 1. Then once it is going to the target 3, then they can change it to the target 2. Like that, they can trial the stop loss. Those who are in the means risky traders. So safe traders, okay, that 15-20 point is okay. Like that, if they are thinking, then they can come out with target 1. So with that, we can have the idea how our strategy is worked well. So today what I did is, actually I have not taken this entry. So I took some other means hedge trade. With hedge trade around 1200 250 rupees we got the profit today. So anyway, further we will tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we will check the based on this one. We will try for the opportunity, the buying opportunity. So this is actually, if you are following the strategy, out of 20 days, definitely 12 to 15 days we will be in profit, and 4 to 5 days maybe if stop loss will be there. So, but we'll have to follow the things, rules and regulations. We'll have to follow strictly. That is what today. This is a strategy. So, thanks for watching, and do subscribe and forward the videos to the friends and families, and so continuously give your comments. Actually, then only I can able to further wherever you want to further information or further anything, you give the comment. One of my this viewer, one of my viewer, he has given the very good comment, and he has tried for the even this also paper trade also. So like that is a very good habit. Means initially, instead of going into the real trade, they can do 1 or 2 days paper trade also. After getting the confidence, they can enter into the real trade with the 1 or 2 lot, not much lot. They have to start with 1 lot only, and once they are getting full confidence, they can go with the multiple lot. That's what today's video. Thank you for watching.